Hey guys, it's Boot and welcome to the Instagram setup video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create multiple accounts so that you can set these up with SalesBrain and have no problems whatsoever. SalesBrain will be able to drive your traffic to you, and Instagram is the main way we're going to be doing that. So I'm going to be showing you a few specific tricks that I use to create multiple accounts without getting banned, how to make your Instagram accounts look professional, social proof and all that, and then how to properly warm up your account to decrease the chances of your account getting banned once it is hooked up to the platform. All right, so let's get right into it. So the first thing I usually do is I create what I call the main Instagram account. You'll see that we're going to branch off of this one specifically. So when doing this process, make sure that you're on an incognito tab and you're on cellular data. So I usually do this on my phone. I haven't actually tested it on my laptop because I don't have cellular data on there, but make sure you're not connected to Wi-Fi, as you do not want Instagram to be able to pinpoint your device. And doing this trick actually allows you to create multiple accounts in one sitting. Usually you'll get, I don't know how to say this, temporarily banned, I guess, from creating accounts, and it's not good because you want to be able to create lots and lots of accounts. So I'm going to be showing you a simple trick that I use. So when I sign up, I use the company Gmail address that we've been using, and what you'll do is you'll actually add a plus symbol, and after you do that, add certain things, like, and specifically this one we'll be using main. I'll show you guys what I use in the I guess alternate accounts. I use city names, but this trick allows you to create multiple aliases, and in this way you don't have to create multiple Gmail accounts. So it's very helpful, very time efficient, and every single I guess setup email, any email confirmation will be routed to your main company address, and you don't have to worry about it not going to some address that you can't access. So from here, we're going to customize our Instagram handle, and we're going to change it to our company name, and then we're set. Now we're going to create another account. So once you log out, turn off and on your cellular data, and from here we're going to refresh the Instagram webpage. This makes it makes Instagram think this is an entirely new device. So you're avoiding any chances of being banned or temporarily banned from creating any accounts. So from here, create another account, but instead of using the alias main, you can use literally whatever you like. I like to use cities, and that's how I keep track of all my accounts. If you want to do that, perfectly okay. For this example, we're going to be using LA. Once we have done that, we're going to change the username again, and we're going to use a period followed by the city abbreviation. In this case, LA, easy to track. And then from there, that's our next account. So now we're going to head over and log into the Instagram app. If you don't know how to log into another account and you're already logged into an account, go to the settings, click on the profile icon, click on the top right, and there should be a settings button. Click on that and then scroll all the way down. It'll be a button called add account. Simply add your account. Here we'll log in and start setting up our account. So the first thing we're going to do once we're logged into the account is we're going to add the website address, and then we're going to add a profile picture. Make sure this looks professional. In this recording, I actually had to go back and adjust it because I didn't like it, but once you have that, we're done with that. Now we're going to add the essential bio. So the bio works as sort of like a funnel. You want to add and make this thing look as professional as possible. So I like to use this one that I use for pretty much all my accounts. I'll give you guys the template for that, and you guys can adjust it as needed. I'll put it in a document, but I like to use this, and specifically I start with a hashtag, then I follow it by advertising worldwide shipping, and then I use a shop now to funnel them into the link. All right, so now that we've done that, we're going to search for some content. Usually I do this by searching for a hashtag related to my niche, and for this one, we're going to pick out some very, very high quality pictures. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be using hashtag camping, and I'm going to be searching for photos that are high quality and pertain to my specific, I guess, camping niche, because this is a solar pack, or a solar battery pack. So we're going to be looking for photos that use the sun a lot, lots of camping photos, lots of outdoors photos. And there's a trick when you guys get these that you might be like, okay, well, how do I crop this down? You can crop it in your Photos app. Very, very easy to do. You just go to your photos, click edit, go to the cropping tool, and it's very, very easy to do. Or you can use a simple trick of when you go to post the Instagram post, you literally just zoom in and it kind of just crops out what you don't need. Once you have that, make sure that the content is laid out in a way that looks very professional. For this account, I laid it out in sort of like a surrounding. I put some product photos that I got off of AliExpress. Very easy. If you want to do that, just go to AliExpress, look in the reviews, filter by reviews with pictures, and literally your photos are right there. For warming up the account. So this is very, very important, and I highly recommend you listen to this entire portion. So there isn't exactly a very, I guess, set in stone method. There isn't like the best method ever. But for one, you should not post all the pictures at once like I did on this account. I'm actually going to go back and delete them all and rewarm up the account properly. But you can sign into 5 accounts or so, and every single morning and evening, go through and like about 9 to 12 pictures and comment on about 3 or 4 of them. This will warm up the account, and Instagram will start to realize, or it won't tag your bot as a, well, not your bot, your account as a bot once you hook it up to the SalesBrain platform and it starts doing hundreds of comments a day, because we want to make sure that Instagram doesn't tag it, so that when you're hooked up, that you don't get these accounts that you put work into banned. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make it exponentially harder for Instagram to see that. So every single day for about, I recommend 3 to 5, maybe even a week, to just go through every single day, morning, evening. You can post 1 photo in the morning, 1 in the evening, like 9 to 12 pictures in the morning, 9 to 12 in the evening, comment on a few, each of those. Also follow people as well. So we want to make sure this account looks as real as possible. We do not want this account to get banned, because you're gonna have to redo literally this entire process, and that's very, very annoying. So that's been the Instagram setup video. If you have any questions at all, definitely leave them in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video, and in the next video we're going to be hooking it up to the SalesBrain platform. Other than that, leave a like, subscribe, boot out.